last trading day of the year. Had some nice oscillator CCI reversals today. Had a couple of nice Bollinger reversal signals today. Not too much strong delta coming through this morning. These supply and demand levels have been great. Had a nice bounce off this one at 75-ish, back up to VWAP. We had one at 105. I think it's hard to see because it broke a little bit, so it turned back to being kind of transparent, but we had a nice bounce down right off of that. Back to VWAP, back through VWAP, had a nice close below the 20 SMA here. This blue dashed line. Got short down to the bottom of this value area here. Just been hovering around this big booby all morning inside the value area. This is the 5-minute chart. Hardly any delta coming in. A couple of very indecisive candles this morning. The open, wicks on both sides. This is the ES 5-minute chart. Looks like we just touched the overnight open. Nice little drop off there. Price has been below VWAP pretty much all morning here. Had a little bit of decent volume to the upside in the first 5-minute candle of the open. Just kind of been bouncing between the 20 SMA and VWAP all morning. 11 minutes after 10, it's not doing too much. I've got the cosmic indicator on the 60-minute chart too, just doing the supply and demand, support and resistance lines. The only one it had printed all morning long was the 70-75 area that held very nicely earlier. Let's say if this breaks, come down to test these lows down here. Got to the edge of this value area, bounced up, made it almost to VWAP. Got a nice rejection off of VWAP there. Price never closed above VWAP on the ES 5-minute chart the whole morning. Just took that short 75 break. I'm taking much smaller targets this whole holiday week, just like 5 points instead of my usual 10 points. But it's after 10:30 now. Had a good morning. Last trading day of the year. I hope everyone else has had a great year and continues to have more great years. Thanks so much to everyone that's used any of my affiliate links. Thanks to everyone that's watched any of my videos. Thanks to everyone that's been leaving comments. They really do inspire me to keep making more videos. Well, as soon as I turned off the recording, we had a pretty amazing move to the downside. We took out that 75 level I was talking about, and when that broke, all hell broke loose. Look at all this delta finally coming in. Had nothing all morning, and then blam, look at that. There's no way I'm taking a long after that 5-minute candle closes. Then after this, added on top of the pile, same story on the NASDAQ. Hardly any delta at all this morning. Right there, tons of delta as we're breaking this 75 level. I got in on one more short, and now I'm kind of tempted to trade a little bit later than usual. We broke through a lot of levels right here. Got a nice bounce up here at whole number. I think I'm really done for the day. Really hope everyone has a great day, great New Year's, great next year, great life.